Jai Hind and welcome to my channel Major Virat Speaks. ISI or Pakistan's Inter-Services Intelligence. For India, it is not just a neighboring country spy agency. It is perceived as the primary architect of a decade-long proxy war and a persistent threat to national security. From the Indian standpoint, the ISI's history is inextricably linked to a strategy of attempting to destabilize India through covert operations, insurgency and terrorism. From its very inception in 1948, the ISI's focus has been overwhelmingly India-centric. Indian strategic thinkers and policymakers view the agency as the ideological and operational spearhead of the Pakistani military establishment's enduring rivalry with India, a rivalry born from the violent partition of the subcontinent and fought over several conventional wars. The Indian perspective is dominated by the belief that the ISI has pursued a state-sponsored policy of bleeding India with 1,000 cuts. This doctrine is seen as a way for Pakistan to engage in a low-cost, high-impact conflict without resorting to full-scale war. The primary instruments of this strategy are believed to be a range of militant and separatist groups. How does ISI operate? Number 1. Kashmir militancy. India has consistently accused the ISI of being the main instigator and sustainer of insurgency in Jammu and Kashmir. From the late 1980s onwards, the agency is alleged to have funded, trained, armed, and provided logistical support to numerous militant groups to fuel separatism and violence in the valley. 2. Support to terrorism. The ISI's shadow looms large over some of the most horrific terror attacks on Indian soil. Indian intelligence and law enforcement agencies have presented evidence linking the ISI to the 2008 Mumbai attacks, where 10 terrorists from Pakistan-based Lashkar-e-Taiba laid siege to the city for 3 days, killing 166 people. This event is seen as a watershed moment, exposing the ISI's alleged direct involvement in mass casualty terror events against India. The latest dastardly act was the Pahalgam attack in April 2025, leading to Operation Sindoor. 3. Fanning separatism. Beyond Kashmir, the ISI has been accused of attempting to destabilize other parts of India. This includes providing support and sanctuary to insurgent groups in the northeast and attempting to revive the Khalistan separatist movement in Punjab during the 1980s and 90s. From the Indian perspective, the ISI is not just a foreign intelligence agency, but a formidable and clandestine adversary that actively seeks to undermine the country's unity and integrity. It is viewed as Pakistani deep state's most potent weapon, blurring the lines between state and non-state actors and posing a continuous and evolving challenge to India's security and stability. This perception shapes much of India's defense posture and counter-terrorism strategy, defining a rivalry that plays out not on the battlefield but in the shadows. So let it be known, India has had enough. We will punish you ISI and we will punish you Pakistan for any misdeed. Jai Hind.